Tax na naman? Nagpropose ang Senate ng House Bill 5003 kung saan dadagdagan ng tax ang mga sugar-sweetened beverages. Kasama na dito ang mga artificial sweeteners. Simula ito sa 6 pesos hanggang 20 pesos kada litro at aabot pa ng 40 pesos kapag gumamit ng high fructose corn syrup. The goal is to reduce sugar intake for the population and to be able to build funds for programs by PhilHealth and local nutrition projects. And it might encourage food and drink companies to create less sweet beverages. Totoo naman na hindi maganda ang sobrang daming added sugar para sa ating kalusugan. Pero ito ba talaga ang dapat na paraan? We are taxed at every corner. From income tax, withholding tax, value-added tax, lahat na lang tinatax, and now even our drinks. Putting the burden on consumers to raise funds for health projects when we're never even sure where the tax is going to go. Ang dami-dami na kaya nating pondo, nasa ibang bulsa lang talaga pumupunta. They are once again putting the burden on us consumers. Nauna pang naisipang i-tax ang mga matatamis na inumin kesa sa tulungan ang mga fisher folk at mga farmers natin para mabigyan tayo ng accessible at murang prutas at gulay. Itatax na naman tayo sa matatamis na inumin bago ayusin yung healthcare system. Kailangan natin itong pag-usapan kasi hindi natin pwedeng payagan i-tax na naman tayo nang hindi pa nakakaisip ng ibang paraan para matulungan ang mga mamamayan. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And don't forget to follow, because we always deserve to eat.